Danny's doing it. You done it?
Yeah.
Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Stuart? Was it stuck? The pedal's doing something funny. Good. Well, I'm glad it did it now and not in the gig. Am I the only one who doesn't have a count in the front of this song? Sorry? Am I the only one that doesn't have a count in front of this song? Yeah. Because you and Martin coming together. We have, yeah. We'll give you one if you want. No, I just think it's amusing that you count yourself in. Because we've got a lot of, I've got Stuart's entire concert is just metronome, is it? Yeah. Occasionally punctuated by a young lady going 1, 2, 3, 4 to count him in and count him out. It's a really exciting gig he does. It's broke. We need a new one. It's got to get a new one. The drummer's broken. So is your pedal actually fine in therapy? Okay. It's a broken man. Do we You just don't know your own strength. You're just too violent. And that's how I know where to come in the guitar and when to stop on all the things we've made, because I've got somebody in my ear just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2. She tells me when to stop the breath. Idiot proof. And only I can hear it. But if I don't hear it, I'm screwed. Is it exactly the same beater and everything? How many of those have we got? And is this the second one? That's a concern, isn't it? Alright, let's do it. Don't break it, Stuart. If you bought it yourself, you'd treat it better. That's 3 and 4, yeah. Connor, could I just ask something? The snare drum that you turned up on Of All Things You Made, that's not just a global, it's not linked to his kit snare, because his kit sounded quite loud then, but maybe he was just giving it beans. Okay. Okay. The man here who looks like Freddie Mercury is Connor, who does our monitor mixes. He's only looking like Freddie Mercury because he's grown a moustache for charity. Handlebar. Do you need that turned down as another scene change? All right, we'll try again. Okay. If you don't vote for it, that's all you're going to hear of Pandora's Box. 3 different short intros.